Uyaki mumwanchu muligereri naende karibu ase entunda yende yomurobuli o wanjire o isiko ya bisi ase tokunyara kaba tokosoka isiko ya bisi twekaransi isiko ya bisi tokonera isiko ya bisi na bale bonsi babwateli baga kobwa mono asaro ngoro ituragusi asoborai na miremo abo banyaka bagakora ase ogusukia egeza kyo mugusi koru ase egetambugere kama gochia ase kende nitukulia lero nigode no mugoko kigima gogoikia ase ngayaye omugumirire bo mutangani kigima bwe county ya Kisii omusike Mary Otara Sali tubatse nanya burukani patate yari buyaga kiyaga ngagemalita yo kwaneka elite tonyaka ba tokoigwa ensemo yaye korwa ugokina kwaye ningianyare kwaba agakora gwikira bono igana ndi ningiagendete gukora ncheni ngongoro kwaruni ototo nyangiri magaje kamera nigakorwa Josephat Sungura igo tobwe naye gwika omwaria omwanchwa omurigereri litangana kigima omusike Mary Otara na twaligani senga yaye na intwe tokwerere bagerega tumwaligani ase getasendi kiagatembe ime yo morobolio iga isiko ya bisi karibu mheshimiwa litangana kigima togochaka nde malita maita ko jorandi etandi takeri ko tangana nde takeri ko chagati nde takeri ko kora wana ikwanira malita muno munatakeri ko
dia mano maralia aron aso jasenka yaito Sungura thank you karibu sana iga nao enka yaito Otara amalita nenkoro kwa Mary Sali Otara
toro chima buna machiko sirina ta Mary Otara Sali Otara itakere
kwa Sali Otara na ramalita ne na ina renka yaito tigangirili bageri ko bari nyama karibu sana senka yaito asante sana tumeshukuru litanga kima mheshimiwa asomoroboliga niko togochaga kurwa memory yawe intangani karo montago kobori nga your first memory as karo kwale ngomo kenererie iga no togochakira litanga ekerenda inyore kerana lengo mokengelinga inje ngiboire bobasi basi na oseito kaibodo na bible bane gakinero gasoma ibiwango byonse primary secondary akugendera pake college but aso mwaka kerana bero mondo monene nenyorera tenka yane iga sabona mwachire onjari nkabororo nkasoa na mono nigo ntorigete nigo ndo mukristo we kanisa yake injiri kerutere Kenya na inde nigo ngokorega cia kanisa hiyo una social worker and deaconess head of deaconesses in the Evangelical Lutheran Church in Kenya Kenya ngima
biya mano kigima igo ase ego atabanga soko some kwa somete wibwire bo basi nando gasomera chiskuru cyabo basi soko cyakira
tali chiskuru cyabo soko cyakira asoko cyakira na cyakire tororo chiskuru yabo basi ikuru kunya ku Kebuta primary school lakini rende njaigete ngaki my father was working Eldoret ono ngachangagenda sitata being the first born nkaenda komenya na Bible bane ngasomera school ya kuri St Joseph's Kapsaret
oyo mwaka kyolengo
I think from 1973 up to 1977
in
primary then I relocated back to Kisii then I went to Suneka DOK primary school naona cheto kukolera my class 7 mtoto akolera 7 CP
ajire kwera nabona ajire koro ku junior secondary
ruti yetu ajita koro ka KCP yetu system ya eret so now na kodere tabo then I went to high school Kyoge Girls High School na kodere kororo and then I went to college St Paul's Limuru ngakora ibintu bya nabyo social work community development and deaconess work that was certificate. I started from certificate, then I went to diploma, and then diploma I went to Desta University. That is why I acquired my diploma from Kanisa Lendenja and 1996. I've been working there and I've risen through ranks. Up to now, I am a leader of women na onde se kanisa kabisa naonya kare to kwenda politics but I remain in church.
So igotutebe after ugukura esukuru emirimo yawe mingi kwa yakorire sense ya kanisa nyuma utarasoma na siasa.
Se kanisa and community. Community pia nimekuwa kwa maendeleo ya wanawake as a leader in my constituency and even in the county.
Before bomo chumbe.
Ntaragenda politics. But I think na other things I've involved myself even the which community ebinge muna bono kere konyoranga.
Ngo chitereko birigereria kere mutu kolinde tigaturata kurigereria ga chinga kichia skuru tachinde mangana yechi gosoli gotoku curricular activities insa mukili kwa ka.
Nari gukora volleyball. Volleyball nari gukora mono sana na njete paka na akora kere ndo mongina turi maendeleo. That is what I would do.
Iba koruka nga service.
Service nero tuare gukora. And sometimes nan tuakora yendo tuare koruka nga walking race. We could walk.
Ukomnyaka gutara.
Gutara ukomnyaka na gutara.
Ukomnyaka ngaro tabwa district.
Also I liked drama in high school. I was a drama member. Then na njete paka tukaenda national. Igorende maybe na bikoleta.
Biyaka bigima ase obokoledi bwa bono ase amangana ya community work na boyiko amangana ye kanisa ni orogongorwa gusigo se nechiza mwao.
Amangana community ne ngusi but amangana ye kanisa Kenya ngima. Kanisa yaitone ya national church and international. Lakini na according to Kenya and even outside Kenya. Yes.
Na ege ntongere ntajindo mo ligererio itarama araga ni kumanya igorie kanisa banta bange bamatenga karo kore kanisa ni go kore gasiere voluntary ene gasiare ngenge ole se pesiri puko sine gasiore nga go irwete go konye kanisa go kubwate se kanisa voluntary nero rasa abantu gete buna bone karoro mungina bwe kanisa ya Chair Lady of Women. That is a voluntary work. Like a committee chirichie kanisa, church council, elders council, that's a voluntary work. Lakini into what departments chikwe employ. I was employed in a department of women. So it has salary, although not so much, but it has. Yani ere semi voluntary tata
I can't say semi. Iyo ndo nakabega kekera moi 19. Now you are employed and you are paid. You can't say it's voluntary. You are paid. Yes.
Na nsachinde kero kwale gosoma eganga ya ngikeli gwatagete koba. Tota beso gosoma gekora. Na boko nyara bange baito kanyo monta tete ko no mwalimu akore ka munyagitari ondagata ko munyagitari akore ka mwalimu.
Eje na tete ka munyagitari. Na arekora china sichiwe. In fact ditangani kabisa ekana arengo mu Catholic. Seite turaba Catholic. School na chitane ya Catholic. I admired the sisters, those sisterhood, the nuns. Yeah, I wanted to be a nun and become a nurse. Honorende karnaga ndada nkanyoranga it was not my calling. But na continue tina mete convent. Na menyate no cathedral as a bishop. We had then Bishop Mugendi at then. Lakini wone karea ikatogote bunga you can choose. Either you marry or you stay like this. It was not my calling. I couldn't continue with it. Lakini at the beginning namana taita kabo mo a nun, lakini a nurse in that congregation. So I did not become one. Then I got married, which I can say now, lakini almost a sister to that one. Evangelical Lutheran Church came from Catholic. Yes. It has split. So ngaso so I kept my day Sunday because that is a Sunday keeper, and this Sunday I kept it. I had this calling that I wanted to serve God in a particular way. Lutheran Church the women who are being trained for women leadership and even theology. So I said, this is what I'll do now. So in I got my path. I joined that. Lakini in the college there is social work course and there is community development. I did both. ikorende ngagenderera igo
na nyuma tutaraiko mwaka 2013 ekero ijete koba bono mochumbe gwe county ya Kisumu mochumbe mutangani kegima insta chinde kuru maiga gankwanya to koba gokonyoreria bagali okora agosoko kora mangana age siasa of course konyatra ikaraja skeli gwikire soko mnyoke county ngima
na soete chipati matene party ya moto wabate Kanu so I was a Kanu member na indi nabona alinge kogende semekutano moi na bago turangaritwa na Nakuru imekutano so I would just learning akitoka kwa siasa tuumera na gaiga
miaka ya 90s bona
miaka ya was it 90s like 80s then tukakora siasa ya Kanu finally muna tokunya go change korukanu tukaswa nande PNU PNU yale koruko
PNU 2007 ya
yes PNU tukakoletire tutaite gwakira mujumbo itu mu president itu Nyachai tukakaro kabisa we were the forefront
I go to 2002 yale koroko 40 people say
40 people yes Nyachai lakini nende etu walenge PNU
PNU 2007 bon area election
so area ya 40 people I did not join but nabatu acheta tuansiamo to support Nyachai but in Kanu so my politics nabondo checha akritego and then being a maendeleo ya wanawake chair bono ngo involve it was like a political organization ikiagera serikali yali kunyetumia
maendeleo ya wanawake ndi wasato
maendeleo ya wanawake niliingia 202 yes
muno monyakero bonjari
so
how was it gukora se mirimo ase ekyobegia maendeleo ya wanawake
I liked it. I liked it. Ikiagana ni goko mobilize women kwa babekamo, kwa basomia, you empower them, bintu batamanyeti, you inform them like when you go out, alitoa ranga kia bangina bande bagendreta, you come back and tell them what they should be doing rende ko nyara go change their lives. I really liked baka go na chitenganyora NGO Habitat for Humanity. Tukanyereta ase bonjari. And then again I was put a chair. Ngatenera I constructed 138 houses. Itwale kupunguza butaka w'ikinyumba.
Babugiredia magema y'abantu.
Y'abantu asoko ba kinyumba kingiya kire decent, permanent and affordable. So I was able to construct 138 houses.
In the whole of Bonjari.
Yes. No abantu bamenyete buya bagachenjia magema kabisa. Until ndekera na tigete kwa munyakero na ndenga I ventured into other things. Yes.
Na gukondero ya maendeleo ya wanawake amatuka gatari kuiweka na mono timaitinga ngikia bere gosinere muna yarenge kuranga no gupima kwao.
Tinde tunere kiagera bono igo yakirire muna yakite siasa bono okoranga abantu abange basore siasa. Bono bangana ya bangana then ebyombe binga bono bya kamera apa bangana bangainire they are small bombo koboke bono bombo bwachira bokoboke waitire maendeleo bantu mbatayitikora maendeleo mbatayitikende kutabwati faida because maendeleo tera tuora faida nene ntubwate nyumba gali maendeleo house ekoleta millions of money lakini abantu aba grassroots njira ikambara benefit so ngagetenye kina kikianye itire those officials there na wokora bago benefit
nani mno officials bali abakoro gose bali mwarenge grassroots gamna yabona kwengo munyakero go bonchali nko ba muri involved in any way gosengo ikamuri mwararangeri go gosenga kimwara
mwarangeri wembe kutano lakini turiko ranga faida nero na
implementation ya
kende you can't there is nothing we could come and implement ndire bale konyora ndagira bacha koletera bangina yende yagundira chistoga butawuni bono gwasi nyute goikera nabantu mwamwale gochikoirera so tindo chinganja betera lakini it was vibrant ja tokonye terende I being the chair twatebanga ekerechi committee chigo chorwa umongino maendeleo toka in that committee and we succeeded ekere CDF yale ko formulated umongino maendeleo ngo to CDF committee ekere DC ya tagate mekutano the woman is from maendeleo mkutano ndipo nswe chifura we sub location location maendeleo na yes Lakini that was the benefit that we had. Ngobe quality committee.
Na ande karatukuligire pado igoro ya maendeleo ya wanawake bona iga agentongere kurunga femicide Kenya ko bagekwirali baga sana anse ko muno mwako eta abasibate banyaka bagwocherera sana na gosiria magema aba bande gutigeru none chingo machintindi ntachinde ogo taba 5 plant gwe kiombe kya maendeleo ya wanawake ngo tokenga ngo bwatali baga estoko se esoko ogo takei go sese okurwana chisege chiga chipifi
maendeleo nere bwana takoba the forefront go champion ya mangana yo but bono koranga abantu bande nande bayirilibaga nabona ababunge baitu bayirilibaga the women reps they are doing it activists baroro they are doing it other NGOs are doing it one maendeleo because of lack of support empowerment maybe if they do it it is the national chair lady or a speak about that lakini igalo kenda igu maendeleo kwa haven't had that yes
na ndi wekaruruete maendeleo ya wanawake bono buja pinali wataboruete ogaswa politics yure 2013
igo na rueto roe 2012
ndijogo chibono ndichikora
lakini tindueti inatigeta ko ba active in maendeleo inkagenda siasa ekera nachorirwe ndene bachori mbwa igete I facilitated everything na bigeta bangana bonse bakisi county amo anda bana atende to bachori buri kaput offices in place
for transition bono
bono lenda abuna atigerete bono tindo chibinto bigosuka because the chair oyo bete chair igari nominated MCA mongino koroko patseba sanaya konti maiti gose takunyara gokora maendeleo and being a member of county assembly ikobono igente kina bondo chigekirete
igo ina we ekiombe kia mando ya wanawake ngire dormant
yeah very dormant at least that is the right word ekere dormant at the moment
na bono ekero ko igete okalengera lingango so ore siasa nto abate biroge binganto abato jakero wa MCA nto abate kero kyo gumanire pwe kwa chitako bo nto abate kero kyo bo jumbe nto abate no governor no deputy governor biroge byantu byengo na bad na bwo ngo tabunga na bo ntachinda be nominated ngaki kwe mugeti gosenga kikwenya ore tenga bono ne kero ko ne kyo bo gumanire pu na ndo bo gumanire bo je ne accounting mo kuminya
tero china called leadership as women groups women organizations I was used to be leading women and na from that kera constitution ya rekorosiwa we were invited tukaenda Bomas so tulichangia ingitutagete bunekero gekisloti kiagaranto amaito no mugusi mungina tanya gochoro ekero gonga go combatant men
against men
ito kunyara gochoro for many years up to now bono ekana rochego nanje nabona singatiete ngatiga babeke ba create this one keko ba contested among only women so that at the end of the day omo yo goira no mukungu so we will have that chance korugabu we will learn and mobilize and speak to people wandu barorenga there is need yogo choro mongena in even a constituency or as an MCA or a governor or a senator so lende ebina bibia bete birangana linkaranga bono keruge ko ba created I being a chair of maendeleo ya wanawake ni Kisii and particular Bonchari I think na mongo chikoligia ekeruge ekyo so ekeragia eti watu wanyonga gia etire and it's for only women I purposed that this is the sitting ogenda ekiagera na manyete ekeke koli guna bagaka I can't think oegwa mbakonga I could not dare bono lende ngateba tigandi gieke koli guna bangena boka but lende nabana chite procedures ko boli abakiagera I was known in Bonchari and even outside Bonchari kiagera ikaniseri ana sengokora ntubate department ya bana ese tuwa bwate nande nalengi church with amangana orphans bono nabo konyongo tara gusiyonse se kanisa ya itere kwachi kokonya ki orphan kiri so I've known a bit of gusiyengema through my child ngaranga nimbwate opportunity se kobolie kerogeke libagandira ororo ndanyare gosoera ngike chi constituency kindo mburi gusemba support inyore kero geke. And that is what I did.
Bona akero ntachinde abantu bali gwashete na barwa batanganinga wano tete so actively ni politics chia Kenya bana nyine chia Kenya to kwanera nga ibirenge bya banga ibye nga kibyalengo cha so le mbale ntachinde bagota batinga kero geke nabo kunya mbale bagota tinga kero geke nabo tanya ale bagota ibo tiboli we musigo sekanyo chiko nominated.
Bono ase bonjali yaito abanjali mbalengerete nga bona ntubiruge byakire binene nonya tole nyombenke bonjali za small aintu tuwale konyore getali tonyore nono bo senator bosobo deputy governor ebinte ibibere I think ono ntubwate council of elders bonjali. I am a member of the council of elders nonya nalengo moke by the ono ngo miti balenge neganga yabo yo committee nelinga ngakina ntu muna banjali to kubeka amo to anda ko lige kero gi account na ntu tonyora slot lakini tutage to bo senator or deputy governor makaronge governor na bo tutabe nto nyara because we were a small house onlende kere meeting ya lenge I went. But before that, kwenye tuumira ndabanga ntu wateke mbikoro kunga Women Political Alliance ya turangeire ya to empower ya to capacity building nga no yeno mongina bono as twanyorire a constitution yenya bono we katoligie birogo and it has allowed abokuligikende gyose muna gwateba kwanzira bo MCA obo jumbe obo governor obo deputy governor
president
everything pako president the constitution has allowed that no abangana kwikabona mwesoki there is none who is ogocha kukurangalinga njoli yekero nayo kwire sabantu otebe nkoligiore
ekero karonge kimwaro saribuga
ikero kero kinekemo but that one is not enough na moko yanda biribindo bo MCA na moko yanda bo jumbe so kero batosomiri kero muntu akeigwa nganga yagochi but for me strictly ngateba njeno women rep ngogenda kiagare kina nalide kora abangena so lendenga kana icha back home I spoke to my family members bakambolinga no gwata chibesa
kura binyokere counting
then there was an indication nga bono iga constitution yenye pesa ncho chikoro we koli gibosa ego tori ko boru besa I convinced my family nga batenga a constitution atabire besa nchi tori ko chikoli gibe tori ko chikoro besa
niga kaso katwate ya ngakire chikura
my family members, my children, some of them bagateba ye mami soka oyo omogo sibabire bagateba mami ate kunyarikana ndobu atibesa omugaka nera kagateba siasa naende bono ne kanisa and then I went to church. I spoke to my bishop agateba bakongo mboyo ndobwate pastor so and so lengo mu counselor na ndoro mu pastor ndobwate so and so lenge this na ndoro mu pastor
ya mutava musimi n'abajumbe balenge
no what you do mutava mbora abete 2013 ali to abeta lakini bone se kanisa yane balenge siasa muga Canada kurukua pastor tete ocheta kobe president yeto ya kanisa akangin kare chande you just go na bogotigara kwa deaconess na ndi na bokoli gekero the church will support you so lende kare ngogende sabagaka I went to abagaka abo ba council of elders mugaka the late Nyansera let his soul rest in peace na kwetenga kia corona so I went, he was a chair bono bakagamba ngaigurende agenda nelinga twachirega torore ngangero gokitugo chikolige no
monchale ba
tubwata abantu baituga bakuboli obujumba abanga bagaka bangaine tubwata omujumbe opore tubwata omujumbe onyanja tubwata oruyoka I think abona balenge prominent ono tutaite tobarangeri toboli oyo mobo atike konya kuboli obujumbe tomosuguma enda kuboli oboseneta so deputy governor bakagamba bagateba that is a good idea to baligie to barangeri bakama kondanga komboli ngachia maendeleo ngakia yoro what is your opinion ngabatebe nganje my opinion telimune imo bwate nje nacha gaiga nereta asemole ikiagana narorire mwarigererie birogo bo senator obo deputy mwebire ngekero kyabange nankero ono kero kali kyabange nangera to gutigira nanje naonda mu my time the chair of maendeleo ya wanawake mware wanja ikiagana nabo it is an equal representation as a county munekyo bibinde mutageta goteba nanje ngenda za women rep bagateba nga gwakwanire buya batirende tigatura idea turanyeira asebalia tubarangari na barabo to noted it was noted
abo no togo chiko chakira sasa sema ya kabere manje muligere ligo ikirabwe toka n'umutima kamo kaigo tokwira na tunyareka ba toko genderera twanyol denga bono umusike Mary Sali Otara ngo swali siasa bono actively kulige garokyo bujumbe bwe county ya Kisii kema na obo women rep go sobo wakilishi bwa basubati ya county tokwira na togo chakira abo go tosuka uchiale
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Mwanju muligereri karibu na ndotogandere ase umuruliga isiko yabisi na huna twatika goteba sentunde ntangani gosekinyase gatangani ni gotole omochioye omosubati Mary Sali Otara ujolengo mo women rep omotangani kigima we county ya Kisii omo director ne sungura Josephat ya gondabinga nkeligero kia basubati ni wakiligero kia bangina gosobo wakirishi baga bangina ntajinde tinama itabuye tofauti gosinero tofauti kati ya bangina na basubati lakini ende na bangina no mheshimiwa naenda bakonfamunga ndekero kio wakirishi wa bangina ase kegusi bono mheshimiwa waikire 2013 wakwanire na Council of Elders wakone na ne kanisa na gwarure birenge bya unga bono ekero gogo chikoboli no women rep we county ya Kisii bono
it was 2012
2012 korwa bono ngaki yabete
bono baheshimiwa bali mbarangerete bagacha one by one
oyore olo opore no nyanja
iko bakanete bagateba nga barabo ebintu mbire babwata marora manne for this constituency
nabagira boncha
batagete bayeguri baga bachoru bonjari elinde baikirani amarora ya base constituency so they declined bagateba ntunto kogenda kuburi bigo bikamo ndoko nyara barabone constituency baranya and then yabaga kabalia they called me ikere bali ko barangalia was not there bono bakanagalia na second meeting bagateba mongena gwa turusiri obosoko wakaka bali mbakanete mbakunyara county aye muno muna kwerure bono twagwanjeire aye bono soka inskonya kwera ali ndani tuchake kuligia nga mpatiki era oneke
abo konya turanyora kiamo go chigasoka
ya konya tindanyora tuntoro champion yo twalingi bono oikatoligie party ogocha konyoro chie tuchake ko lobby na bantu barabe
bana timu wa kitimu iliyo kwenda na erbono
yes so rende bagantiga nganya gutara ndo abate kiombo gitu gekorwa Kisii County fair Kisii County farewell na kerokyo kiare kutangasa nga kitogo cha korosie county yaito nga iyo office ya county chirabere headquarters muntu kitogo cha kochorabe governor in fact yabantabu abo barangirete obure inkeroge kora wono mheshimiwa munyakero goitakoro kwelkana unyando toko gekorera aria dados we could meet there tuatara tuenda kusomia bantu nge constitution yachire
and this is what is expected
ono ntutagete tumanye ngaitura beke makao yetu makuu ya county ngotogo chikochora bune governor nabo bari kunya kurangalia abantu ababo bure babo ngwaye kera mutokunya kubarangalia bakarango ngwaye nabakoreka narabe governor abantu bakamwanja and even teachers mba mwanje toro chimunarengo
mwalimu TSC
bono rende nabarora ntenganere then epati ya ebone saswete ODM
ya
abagaka baito they wali mbantangase sana ekere bona abantu bache kuligie kerego bonjali abatebimbi yamona so bache kuligie kerego na ndu muna banjali nkuligitoleke
kerego women rep
ntune kibo women rep to kuligie na no yo mobuye ndubu ati no nyemba bere it's only one okoroku Mary Sali Otara ona bakoneliwa maybe bande mba manyete ongeli na lengo korwa aki ariko ku Jubilee ongwaye mbalengo ODM lakini munyakero goito ODM no mo MCO no bomolenda okoro kwa John Mbati nero lengo munyakero John Mbati nere ne timu yaye gakugenda ase ODM akabatebi ng'omong'ina naro nkoreta korobonchari na into tobalekia bang'ina kero tokonya kobagaiga ebiro gebi erinde nainche bakomobori nomobwate ng'ai ng'aki akorokunga Mary Sally Otara sawa sawa so rende bakabaga ODM njaikaransa. It was a very strong team ekaikaransa egateba bono tokobaga Kisii County as 6 constituencies not chichi nyingi enyambo machoga nengima enyombe engima boge nyali bali engima boge tutu engima so bagateba bono nande tokobara e county yetu buna kabere Kisii Central and Gucha bono twateba ebirogo bitatu bigenda Gucha nande bitatu bike Kisii Central bonjali na ere Kisii Central boge tutu na nyali bali Gucha ebwate bo basi bo machoga na bogirango bono bagasoba ko bage ebirogo ebyo batari ko mention people bagateba bono bogaba na gwika boche Kisii Central obo deputy bogende Gucha boge senator bogende Gucha bo women rep boche Kisii Central tokubaga paka biribi gocha baadaye obo speaker no was county secretary bo speaker bogende nyali bali no bo county secretary bogende South Mugirango bagakora bono ligia abantu bono kera abantu bakaligia abantu babo bagatebe deputy mangi senator kurubo basi no bure ongwaye nero ko gavana kurubo getutu then Nigeria Italian ligachonga women rep mong'ina Mary Sally Otara kurubo nchali so rende kare bakoreta yons I was called to the party that I want to register and a life member and I did that ngegera bonjali no ODM yarengi togoteba bintu binda abantu bakoye ongeri nacho takondikia ngambene Jubilee abantu babonjali nande nali ko work alone nali ko work alongside with this was the committee nabarangeria mugaka getochire kondora kamutai no muyore ntogwanjete but echama eyote ko oneka bonjali ndokonyara ongeri went ahead akaliyo mwesege nandole like my kamati okoro ku Judy Miruka akamubeka nera muno mu women rep kono akandetera
I think konya ketera abachupire yarenge tiene na URP
yes akamoiro yo umondo narenga ore koro kwanga Sadak Ogutu ya nera kem je pati yaye na manyetengi yarenge nera ngata getetobe nere era atagetembe running mate yaye wa deputy governor bantu baitomba mwiri serious batebo ingo tantani yari amutento je tolengara litogote batirende karabali kireti bakara will go nowhere ona wakento baitabete ODM togachaga this of my home togacha ko karansa na baganto babo njali bonspi ne timu ya ODM na nelie campaign yongwaye no bure ne timu bali bonspi abaragiru bagacha konsoke yanga ya ODM ngabeke yanga ya ODM so fully bono ngaswa ODM abanjali bonspi ba no batali bagaswa ODM campaign yana na becha agetego nilifanywa na watu na tuliambiana ayokuru seino igokora lya bantu bose the woman
anya gore ngambo nchali okubora bonse
timu yane ngima nabanjali mbamanyite bo nyogo oyo kwanda bogetutu yakora lya timu bo basi bo machoga everywhere nawe yarenge that is why tuabwete
nane mukabwa pa
large numbers nande kare kugenda ye large number nande kare twale kwenda bono chirali bono nabo tokwenda everywhere as a team bono bachi kotororanga oyo nere meri onere so ande nere ngo igole nanto gachora campaign team gachora buya ODM yabwate structuring ya ku grassroots igaba members wa ODM walifanya kazi kubwa yokoralia candidates wao
igaba ono konya gwatabe gunga kote konya mwagambire mwatenge constitution yenyitiri kwara abantu gose mangana besa ari gutumeka mono nko abet surprise dikonyoranga nanu tagere chibesa kusina ya beta igabaka
abantu bali baita bakababa ya ongwaye admani obure admani mbarabu mbalenge na achanga ngano mwensi leta
chibesa
igento balenge na achanga to campaign than to irekero we win as a team so chibesa chinyinge chiatumika tane chubure mwako yobure had a lot of money na bale go to facilitate twins lakini rende as a person no kunyara kobere kugo
otaje gutara nanje nimbwate kendega
nabaye bwiko kolengera ngaki ndari gichikura integemeta abandi ikiagara nimbwate my own campaigning team eyere egutende etari kogende sebaria ono gocho batari utabwate chibesa then nalito iwana ntene family nga whichever resources we have on our own to me, and we had even to expose our property. Onyora chibesa at least toba igo utarire onyobeke gari amafuta ogende onyora abantu umera no buy something ikeramo gutara at the end of the day you have to give them something on my own. Lakini akeramo nto chiete team bali bandi na bali chip in and that is how twanyarite kuira chikure otherwise nyore mbono iga it could be very difficult kegera abantu bano babwate chibesa na ubara ile chikura without money to kuira kura
na opu yawe yarenge igoro ngango irole gose gwatwega no gotema yani kwa beto na active ngabono
je na ale gotema
uganga shwa ngengo
I was very sure a family yane ba ondogete muga ondoka gateba nga resources just twagachire miaka mengi
ngotume gachire goche
investment twa invested yani bone togo rubeka igo chisire imotebi ngango ira tole I was very confident ngo ira tole nje bonti mai tumuna yale abana arochenge keroge kingo irande tina aroche nande ngantoli ko ira so nje ka keep ko ba hope we are winning we are winning
bona kwarali go 2013 mutinyo nane ngagere torenge
kwa
mutinyo to chiage 2013 ya kwarali go muna mujumbo mutangani bwa bangena kurwase account ya Kisii reaction ya ngagi yarenge reaction ya family ngagi yarenge no reaction ya bali barenga ngana ngagi yarenge
ono lende kare kwa irire kero monta ko ba happy no eno yota kwa kere ta ko tega twa tega mo twins twa choli la barai bai tumana twa tagete so I was happy and I thank God being a church person iko twa ko mwakere Nyasaye ngambi ya mono ametenda vile tulihitaji lakini nende ndokia bete abange nambale ko computer against me they were 9 abanaye bakabeka namo bakambeke repetition ngatingire tikura bakaenda bakabeke petition ekyo nagambe tikukorwa 2013 was April babegete
mbiriga most from April was May
paka gigacha koera November end of the year bone kare biko era igo maite no na parliament you are not sure kare go saba no ne lone bagoteya no what petition we are not sure go saba no stop ko I kende ngeyo ora privileges binde binena tatika salary ono kwanya oranga you are in parliament you are gusiye koti yani uko gambe bina bitare ngona ande gwaire te genuinely but finally ngia tugutetu with the costs from them lakini mono mbachi tukwebeka muna barabu ebatumiete voters ya bataka batabwatike
abuna ando utachi ko bwati
so we left in that way ono lende igo gekaera igo nkamanya ko ba free
a member
ono kabe membe kyagara mbale barueto omuntu muna bichage igaruze tukabasuwa nini next time orusigwe ande ningoli bano orusetiwe bantu mbale babere barusetiwe oseno oro
korwa rubango rwagusi I think no yonde nere na rusetiku Walter Nyambati I think ese korusi
abantu bali barueto rolinde so ekingi skate so much lakini then after care ekababuya nande nalibono nonyane mwaka oyo isire ko baguse no mwaka you do not understand what is happening in parliament
wana leo kwanza ndio chako fola
ona ibono gochaka ko bwati korumagega lakini then we were inducted ngogenda twalenge induction we went to Mombasa for induction what is required of us lakini still ko bwate challenge nabo no manyete lakini uko concentrating ni ntigale ko bapunge osengo cha korworo so until that one was over then bono bunge
ono gachake gazi mnamo
2014 then twabwate kiganja ekiruge kekiale like ceremonial orotu ingakiabe kirukiabe created for abange nabo kabarwanere nandege ntubona abantu batamanyeti enkelime toli member ya toli mojumbe bwabangena igoro mongino mojumbe omongo no mojumbe in the sense
we county ngima
we county ngima ikiagara kiro monto ngo gwakira ari kura one gekoro kunga women rep because abangina boka baketo barwanerere
ogoja kwa niaba yabangina
torugoja kwa niaba yabangina yani kiruge getengire esabangina musaja atate nego keboli
lakini abantu bonse nabagwa kachikura
abantu bonse bagwaka nande bagwakira bo mojumbe omojumbe bwe county
ngima
tali mojumbe bwa bangina
no mojumbe bwe county ya
mojumbe bwe county ya Kisii y'abantu bonse pi baka bono abantu mbara understand bakagetenga ngayoro mojumbe bwa bangina igobono bwene tokorera bangina boke gasi tobase gokorera abantu bande gasi but no mojumbe kerego kia beta created this thing njoro che bangina batachoro tochiko twara the two-third gender rule ichigo ikiraniwa affirmative action one it's a creation of affirmative action ngabangina na barabo banyore nali baranyore libaga otherwise kanga bono ganto bwatikende ikente kiba created ikiarenge kia bona bangina barona barabo barabajumbe ikiagara
paiterete ko chaba jagerto women rep baka chikura cha next bakabolie kero kyo
no mo women rep no mojumbe no mongi no mojumbe wono ntune ngeli mwana alire nga women rep itorukora okoboro ragari se list ya members okoro ku Mary Sally Otara MP Kisii County somebody MP Bonjari constituency so all of us are members of parliament not representing a particular group you are representing that constituency yao ye county and go say constituency
that's a very important point ese omo ligererio ito kumanyanga igo bali bandemo konya goteba ngegero egine kia bangina ngeri kia bangina igo muno mweshimwa kebekire igo nekerogo ono mojumbe bwe county ngima otenete goru omwana ole county omusai ole county omuga ole county omongino ole county ya Kisii na bono kwa soire meremo muna omojumbe keganja ngeiyo ngaki operations cia uciarenge gwikirana gose ngakibono kwa nyato kabako gukora emeremese myake ya
emeremo na akorete no mushahara uri natumite mushahara kiagara mono muna mwatenga mojumbe bwa bangina team chietu kaba bwa bangina abagake baichire bona abasaya kera everybody kero monta gwata mahitaji mushahara uri onoro koreta oyoro kunyara kwa nero kwa amatanga naro abantu bataite mechango umushahara ukurusi ochake kwa
nane county ngima
county ngima bono bwata you are representatives ba wakera ndo bwata bako oyo natageteke individual people could come I think also wotamanya we just spent bona akorage kwanyora umushahara tigo tuze na ubago chora tigo ba maybe ibintu miche bentu agendereta korosie kakasi ya 47 women na kuligia umontato interpretary the constitution nkiego teba igoriye kerogeke bona we have nothing in the house abagaka ngoboli bari CDF yaye ngoba pongeza
tole milioni emye yamo
ebungene 140 bona gabana bayirire kibesa cyabo na baro bakikwa ba MC bakore indu we nothing
inu amuna baseneta mubwate besa
ekara tuare goeta itogoteba toche ko bakora what are we going back to tell people tukanyora echiloya chika interpret kanyora nga affirmative action na nebwena takwaro keganja lakini baba siko duplicate ibintu biriye bande bagokora bali ke the gray areas ibintu bitali gereiri munabona bangena ikibesa nkiarenge kiya Kenya Women Finance twaroche nk'abangena basa koirume kiya tago iroma bati okoba ikibesa kiri bakoegwa kiloni basinyubwakana njira kitora abaligeri banyore like a grant batali gwakana batali go strain lakini bachange the lives ekina kitwara oseti tukarosa tugateba toli kibesa tugochikwa abangena tubarusia se kiloni kiria kiagale none chinka cyabunekire abana mbaroro toto chintakana batabwati kende tubaligeria kapasari agake ento twa substitute ekibako egwa no mojumbe nandi tugache tukanyanga ne account nero ne contract ne bwate to toligie the young people we empower them toligi talent toba toranga kitoko empower the talents ebintu like twachakirete binte bikebunebyo so lende bibikaba kiganja keria gegaetibwa kibesa kirasoka 2015 nando mondo naro kurukungokia umutata
omasene tawa
na lambe osenga lombe umo lo yende nero ro bagatoire nande koti bagatebe keombeke yani allocation of revenue is between two levels, the national and the county. National nero ye constituency and the county bono ngai muguru sinane mwabanga nabachibesa okuno kubuna machiko nande tukairwe koti nande tukaimugi chibesa kiedu tukapekamo nande tukaligi chiloya nande chichigo tukwanira kikatukwanira baga freeze even the accounts chibesa chikawaya account nande chikaba frozen bono leni nande tukachandika nande bono tuiranire zero lakini nande chiloya through our lawyers we won. Echibesa chiri chikairaniwa around mutinyi usano yosita 2015. Bono office njiyo wekananto chake koligi office ya
bana chibesa mutakero tware management team ye chibesa chi obiste yo secretariat
ya committee cha affirmative chiro sikuru national paka county iga secretariat chibekwe one bintebi watu rush ndubwatigali wekatonda kugura kigali from that money kigali chiba nkungu bako minyoke county iport kigali ibere kiagara ntwa itu that ribaga kwaganda kwagura kigali pick up ya committee na negali ende ogutarire kerora round iga kerore iga tobeka abantu office tochore chi committee chia affirmative action board tobeka in place bono tumaguchaka kutaranga reche abangina ebekechi group 100 muchake ku apply roji is a process abaga kabachumbe bagandira tachigasi nagendera tegasi bona abantu bachakire kodiranga kerweke kyabangina rusi ndoro chingi ge gokora bona kare tugocha kunyara gokora tu financial year tugakora rende tugatema kwa chi group chipasari gukora chi talent yecho mepira ibintu at least we were very fast having good coordinators kiagara you are to employ a coordinator ukunyara kuligereria ibintu ebyo tugakora then tukaenda 2016 we tugatema 20 bono guchiawe campaign matabono ya chakire for 2017 ndunto kore 5 years etu akurte 4 years and 8 months ikiagere twalego twacho March lakini tu bono igana August igolende ntokoretie the 4 years
maurire mitie nyange 5
kibesa na kiro chikanyorwa bono bali kwa ikerte na bubako manyete bali otaikerete they don't know you intuntu anyako morora taratokorera kende keruge kianza wasi ndokora tiki togetageti otherwise linda thank God no nyemba getageti we were able to korosia
gokriya ne amwa karosike kabeki kerebono
kabaki kerebono abantu bake gokeire tuga create the affirmative action otherwise mundu tari kukigana ekere yaro satigwe no nyemba bali nominated senators na bali kokoira na bakinga ono women rep bakorata batagete. So that is my journey.
Ibona yemiake eyu emiake ne metianyegete asemuno mojumbe
we county and I love that. I worked, I knew people, I connected and I do not regret. Ekiagara muna politics kergo ngelikiago ekeroge kerero gogetwara mambito kora mambito getwara abantu tali bantu bao begeto mubuko ko dictate iko ba ko make their own choices bate bango gochora bali lero nabasani bao mambi they are your enemies but for me I can't make these people to be my enemies abantu abanabasani na ndemba bwada they are right konjora guse gutanjora wona gutanjora temine timbanga angete oburai maybe
democracy
democracy the democratic right barorire nga maybe gwagendera butura tokolera igana nto kitachoro yonde guse na tokolera so lende
bona yegere 2017 chikorogwerero chikorangala nkole ngamna kwera ndiriga sababu echimo cyabo cyagarata ngo chinde tukwanyara kabako kwera nekerugekeiga no koba obisi njale ngona nengwanyote bagaligia lyo gukora emirimo so 2017 chi
akine tulifanya dalingana nyo
yani yo gukora ndikora no kubani kwao
noko abantu ebabwate a lot of expectation ekyota nyale goikirane nonde bwanzi nono yorure maegana araikirane
mwaka wechiribu ibere na 15 ibere 2017 bono chikura charangeli gunande notakeri kwegerere garukia okiobo woman rep na kiesa bali ya renge yo kwegerera bone process yo kwegerera kiruge kiganga kia renge in brief
ngia mono muralia asoko mboli ayo 2017 na butwa chikura chiarangeretigwe lakini bono ntuchiete ko baamo mune timu twali
muchite ko maintain timu eri mwengera
chando njasoete gatigabo umuseneto itagasoka
agataka kubuli bugavana
yagataka kubuli bugavana na ndakarwese chama akagenda chama ya Jubilee agasoa Jubilee bono gasoa Jubilee agatige gapuga and I was thinking nga etwale gwikaransa to replace the senator lakini ebibinde kiagara na otoye bitigale comment ni gwo munabire but tuchiete ko babo things changed nkanyoranga nono mo women rep ba muchenjiri maybe bandolire umusenator oyo nje ngorbo basi umusenator mbo basi yakoro ande bale ko ro senator bunabwate soft spot asende kondo ko musubati so maybe bakamoranga gachire nono musubati ona barakoreke
baramugwata
lakini natenete famu ngabera to the end ngote bina aba party leader bono lende ngito takurangario mukutano gwe chama tukwanire nga oyoruro na kimono tukwibanga na ndi muna twibanga the last time lakini lende nganyanga bintu mbiri bo bya change no manyete siasa na birengera bya abantu muna bira change nkanyoranga ba change nga omo women rep ngo ese line up yego chikoba
mugumene baro basi ba
omo women tali arbo basi ngo change bali bado omo senator ningoli
ba senator professor Ngeli asoete timeni
professor Ngeli bakamuleta kurunyali bali and then maybe this nominated senator Janet Ongera being omo basi ono no mo basi na ruro maybe bakarana ndi balete mo women rep lakini yali baliero mtu abwato mo speaker kirosio ndieki lakini bono lende gotoro chingo chikorosi bwale na mini gerege ntongo chenjikia lenge ubo speaker bukagenda bugirango iko bo speaker bukarwa ali bakaba bo deputy bo senator mo deputy governor
agatigara
na babete cheche ya na bolete igarweto akagenda nere
na araberete Jubilee yake
na arachiete bono gachiete batema oyo asinya batema nande kamini nande goikoria tebi gwakoreke airane so uri akairana so omonto maintain no mo governor no mo deputy speaker lakini ebibinde muna ba karasete ba bichenje depending ikipata baroche ntaroche I couldn't understand onne ko babuli shwali nonya no mo women report achiete ko register immediately jena register lakini yaratara register until the last minute nalia irete papers ya yakabeka wono kabeka nero lengo murai gorogari ese party bono do you think nomination ingo cha yale ngo ba fair
you had no chance
I had no chance I said yuko kogwa na ndonyora ibagokore kendo defend to the end na nchenkarwo a few friends of mine wagante binju Jubilee I went to Jubilee ekana anda Jubilee na anda bajumbe bechi constituency abarabumba target abarabumba bwate formed opinion abare oyo batagete no mungno yoro lero mbabwate by then bono lende bakamoira bagakana nganero ibatagete so bono ngasyo nande kingo kora narure odie ana so nande bono yakongire what do I do baka kondusia no was subject to nomination na ndo mate na register Jubilee na register to odie na Jubilee bono Jubilee gaiga we went to the nominations of course starting fair ikiagara na nyorete reporting abachumbe kero mujuma le gotebanga imogo campaign ali umongnoyo uyobo kero monto kero kira constituency onde taye mujumbe tayo lenge for me ono lende kera ba kole taigo njenga tebona se kiabere we have to go tukagenda lende oli akanyore nomination ticket ya Jubilee I did not get ono tro china abere bos bandu bane bagateba no what we do and independent or you defend your seat So I went to independent egente kongu guchira kikia ngorete ekiagara goikwa kane agents e county engima ayebweka lakini jinga kichiria etware go kosha twakana nyonje ngwakana chi agent chiabo njali na bali bande bakana chi constituency chiabo
wana gwatigerwa ebweka
na atigerwa nje bweka I had to push it on pakango ole manyangana defender tingabo and I knew nga wona kerotali a team nebi kongo lakini let me just go so I went pakomwelio then I was defeated I accepted ikiagara I foresaw then ngatevanga and in fact obujumbe na bere only 4 years lakini without pinga omujumbe it's 50 plus years bono lende obo manda litano koferanga obo lende nanje I thank God nga nanje na bere privilege ko omujumbe na ko ba honored at least abantu bamanyire bono kubwaliria batamanyete
wana it is 7 years totebe kurukwa ruete muna kurwarete bunge muno mubunge we county ya Kisii
2017 up to
2017
jikaligo jikabatene
80 almost 80
abajumbe kabajolru babere
ababande mbona bawujokole bere neno sebe neno soba culture
oyo mwaga kola 5 no yera kola
neti ga tutebere
igo
bono ngakyo bugima bwa beiri sikoga mate tokobwekani miaka ya 2013 gochimaga kanyotara omujumbe ne miaka ye 2017 gatia egapwe ye miaka ya ne kwa beto omujumbe ngo change ya lengo bugima bwa wini one way or the other
yes bono lendo bugima mbako batesemu na obole tofauti lakini ntari tofauti ne tofauti ne linga ki timbwa atichibesa abasani mbali konyo kwa rosiri abono bagugwanja okoba ya position and whatever you get bono lende kerota bwatie position yali nanto bwatie besa abasani abana bakoira na maega na bagosekera lakini mbali very close to you like they were so abasani abana maybe twatugutire na bantu bali gukonyora mona ande bali gukoranga ebono yo bwengenjo bone bakaligereti balia bali ebirogo bono babwate kibesa abantu tukire ebesa baligereti but rendo buya ekera narenge ekerogo tinari gutara tingo suka nonya no moibori ona tingo morora abande bagostomo mujiria
mweshimi wojere gora
mweshimi wojere no mama minota yokorora ese ngweta ne kibesa mweshimi atosera yani omenya to bugima bwa abantu tali bwao mondago chao otebange fridge ni ndutwagora tamati ngwanye bwata ni ndutwagora rore bintu bire mabuso gocha tori onya gogosieke geitege kubunwa abantu bachaime obugima bwarenga obokongo but essence me ibono igonde very free none chiro yane asuneka many years nali gutara ororo of course up to now tingunyara gutara lakini I can drive stop nkwani abantu otali gusongererwa riri no gusongerera to kunyara gukwana bono nimbwate freedom ondo tali ko mboli kende ngo mboli nga mwandu sete mugachora abangao nono nkimbwate abantu banalire lakini still bara batanaleti mechange naboko beko bindo naboko nyagusaba ngo
once anon wepo member with anon wepo member
but rende bono ninde relieved ko bwachinga kichiri iko nda thank God ngana monde bona politics sometimes people forget you bakagera ngage kwa bwetwe tobwatia ni influence as a community no nyanda onsi asole but I would want to tell you I have much influence abantu niko bakomboli to direction naito gochio mo
tatebi ngaito
you understand this better totebi nande naboko batebi bono lende lakini ababande bale birogo na koligia mbakonyoranga there is somebody there especially abanga troji ndunabake abajumbe barabona bakonya bakomanyanga narenge so and so barangari together aba council gusaba MCA kwanyore barabange barangari together lakini the women rep bone turara ninje bwekaga nali Nyamira gali ali sichai ukamenya te Nairobi bono utokonya murayo kolengera linga ki
mumutegere komerana
aba women rep balinga ibale barangalingo ikinke iyo lakini nde amatuko makana abetenka na abete ese president deputy president deputy president nja recognized ya sana ngamba skani naona kerengo tebanga inchu mune kanisa yana ikem
oyoro president bono iga
oyoro president bono iga na bachete until 2017 akare muchumbo itasira ngalengerere ne bono nalengo mujumbe tale konge ticket nanje mbuli kerwe nanje ba support with their support I would win lakini abantu baita babe bakamnyoka kando bakaomongna bitutu maremo so I was really disappointed akandangelia agotenga togenda tukwanerane I'm sorry ninju lakini zitukeria ariko ndangelia it's like mongno ina walenge ngangenda nchikomoa okoboko I did not go. Wana na otu waitanarete no mugambio yoito wana rende ngatiga igorende
igo bona iga isko gangi bona igo gokora ni wede jikura kuru ko bugachira isika
bine bintu bitu byarenga au urwere mbo itachingo ko gaiga lakini ninto ntu no wali mitogo kora bwate chai to kora twale mendagira to koli kwa le tuma byane kerugaho bine biro byatigarite mai gantu asamura ono rende gasi yaito nanjengo ena nachiko ko supervising abantu mbaje chai njatorwe ngombe njakamwe mabere basi na the boards tobekire chi body mbali chechi skuru sometimes yakara mwana angali urende moro mo sirenka
mwanya kurwa basemi
twanya ko ganda se body twanya ko bakonya chi skuru na body chindura nyorenga abantu bakurangire bakubekire none sub county iga no modisi na bako tukotebinga nju ya security no murai no bwato bomanye ono kwanyoranga kare chi body ejichire na ongo kare chitayo amato resting or walking SFM yane na koranga ngikero oro turanyare ko
ase jidai kanga isato iga chitigarite 2022 to board tige
kero ya tinko
ine na expectation na ronga nando chukuboli kero kendo chimutwa
you know once a politician always a politician ono even though kiuka na manyire ngeringa ki alignment kwanza party na ende alignment ye party ono lende nse konyoranga ninde aligned to ninde ina party na ande abantu mbale interested umaite twale twakaligiringa ngomoroche uranyare ko uratokonye ko rwase mugete umaite na proposals are very good people abantu bagukonyoranga nyale banaro mutale ko ngali nyale boli olenge okonyo wangu muntu naro kurangairi of course I won't refuse lakini lende bono meanwhile njanaonda amia
igo siasa ero abantu ba expect kende gyonsi ko chimotwa
siasa ero kende gyonsi ko konyoranga there is a chance you won't leave it go konyoranga you are wanted to campaign or to help people still you can do that ikiagara we are still strong we can speak to our people they listen igolende ngiota korire gasi nyo muntu ko approach re whatever ngonyo ingiota mukonyere ikiagara abantu basigeta barai abo ko batebi gento ba ko bolinga ngi gwato tebe to akero yo ngito tale gwakero so of course we know how to convince
maybe kyo mwali kigima ase daika yamo na boko comment about your family ase kelikeno kelira nyale ko bago kwana about your family
ngiona tebe family is very supportive they supported me and they still support me they know I'm their parent I'm their mom igolende mbante getiko support na kunganja na konga that moral support notebanga life na bere igo and it has to continue tali lazima obo mojumbe bekio manyabo gimabo manyakoba no nyaru kero tali mojumbe you still and by the way na kinire na change the titles I got my degree there back in 2016 and also now my title I am Dr. Mary Sally Otara.
Dr. Mary Sally Otara. Kwa guru manju muligereri. ngana yawe yo mweli gochia kuligeti kamirire maiga nega ngana yawe yo mweli gochia se abantu bonsi kuba mara abantu be county ya Kisii bakatari bagokabara abuna omugumire bo mutangana kigima na bonsi no ne family ose ngobusami bwa mweli gochia se bonsi bona na babara bage siasa bonsi so bwa moyo
itangana kabisa igongwa kere family ya ngambi ya mono aso ko empress all through up to this time. Also abantu ba Kisii County aso ko nganja chinga kichiria. I know most of them love me up to now. Kiagera they call me ngontarira bali digongo bakira na bara ngambi ya mono kiagera magera tenkamanyikana ande kanyora the title being a mheshimiwa na kubarua na kubeko sibita history as the first women rep for Kisii County. Para ibaitu bachorero I do respect. Umweshimiwa ngwaye iko musigete mono ikiagera umuntu nagokorera ligose elimo gosamange inyura yentukeria kemo ikiagokoreta ngwaye ko nchoranga naye ntagetobe women rep ngwaye ko stand firm na ko nobure na goteba ngumuntu nere abange mbachete but bagatetiga bache it is their democratic right lakini umuntu tobwate it is this one so they supported me wetera barabo na irete chikura abarabo ngo bakira ngambia mono werebe sibali nya site gabakonye bono muno ngwayo kodira hospital muibere gasi yarorekanire njarengo alifanya kazi na ande bono ukolire otigire legacy of course no otigire legacy umuntu ukagocha abande na bakoranga you did nothing lakini rende egastirigo umuntu tayo tarigo kora oikoiki asegete oyo ndonye bwatero bone sanye ikiri na oya bwaterwe na aba baroto kubasabira abarabure nyaza abakonye bayiwibirero by'abantu na ende buna nyaza abayire kisemi cyabo bakorera abana inkiga sikegera kuno gukwarenge bakikora gikikura bakorera abantu bayite gasi mirimo tetenena egenderera ukerekera ko randekera tangaso ngambo sakere ndaba abantu ba Kisii County bali bararengi bagokora but as at now omurembe ndagete gusabira Kisii County amatusi amanga tari gukigotokonya omuntu mwe time akore gasi amweli naboko tebanga kibono gutosaba waikerenetie gose ulifanya ande tigatokoe another time jitindi cha etimurayonde wensi abo mwe MC one abo mu jumbe abo mu women rep omugaba na mu senator abantu bonse I respect them they are elected ikiagramba chole bono lenda eningo kubakana ngamba isaide tiga bakorega siyabo tunainto tubabwati siko ba support bakorekera burombo choli bugocha abana inji bana bara mwenge bataita bakora
bia mano kigima twagokire sana gutwarigania senga yao na gukwana amo na intwe umwanchu murigereri oyuo na gusabuna twikira omwelio bumurubali wetu kulia lero twarenge asenga yaye unalpo Dr. Mary Sally Otara yonyari kabaga gotwarara amange kigima goika chinga kichinde asomorubali onde onge muna yoko bwatia tonyara kaba gogosuka korwa gogosuka ne TV yawe ya Getembe TV kionge kema musi sokole telemerubali yonsi kera lituko lya Jumamosi inche nigongoroko Haroni Ototo nyaingiri maiga kamera nigakorwa Josephat Sungura igotoko kuganiria obuligeri buya asemerubali kubwati ya Getembe TV kionge kema musi.
Getembe Television ekionga kya Mwamogusi.